Mahatma. So turn to page number 64. Be ready with your pencils, children. So let me give the let me make you to write the answers in here. Already I have written on the board here. You can just copy down in your textbook. Later you can copy in the classwork. In that first main, children, that is A main, complete the incident by filling in the blanks. Gandhiji did most of his schooling at Rajkot. First blank, you just write on Rajkot. Gandhiji did most of his schooling at Rajkot. He said he was a mediocre student. He did not ever tell a lie. And the third blank is lie to his teachers or fellow students. He did not talk. He did not talk to his fellow students because he thought they would make dash of him. That is, they would make fun of him. That is next blank. And then in the second paragraph, that Gandhiji was very honest. When the students were given the spelling test, Gandhiji did not know the spelling of the word kettle. Kettle. Gandhiji did not know the word kettle. His dash tried to help him. His teacher tried to help him. He wanted Gandhiji to dash, that is copy. He wanted Gandhiji to copy the word from his dash, that is neighbor's slate. Copy the word from his neighbor's slate. But Gandhiji preferred to write the dash, that is wrong. Write the wrong spelling rather than dash from his neighbor's slate. Rather than copying. The last word is copying. Just fill it in the given blanks here in the textbook, and later you need to write in the classwork. And the next main, children, some of the adjectives given below can be used to describe Gandhiji. Pick out the suitable ones to fill the bubbles around the student Gandhiji. So already it's given in the one they have given, that is mediocre. In the same way, the remaining you need to write. You can write honest. So how was Gandhiji when he was a child? Shy, and then punctual, and then truthful. You need to write this in the given bubbles. So that one you write. And then C main also you have to do that one, children. C and D you need to do it in the homework book. And the next one, that is language smart, and that models. So what are models? So definition I have written on the board here. Model is an auxiliary verb that expresses necessity or possibility. And auxiliary verb also called helping verb. Auxiliary verb also called helping verb that helps other verbs show model and mood and tenses. Mood and tenses. The most common modal verbs include must, shall, will, should, would, can, would, may, and might. So related to that one name they have given here. So we can just read the example sentences given in the textbook. Irrespective of the age, it can be said to any person. Can, that is modal verb there. And then hand should be placed above the head after joining, that is should. So can and should are called modal verbs or models. So they are used before the main verbs, and they are used before the main verbs and express meanings like permission, certainty, possibility, moral duty, obligation, necessity, etc. And some other modal verbs are could, may, might, will, shall, would, most, and outro. So it's very easy. You need to supply the modal verb to complete the sentence. You just write this one in your homework book. Let me see. Okay, children. So this B main, C main, D and A main. You need to, and then one more main is there. Make sentences using the modal verbs given in the box. So that you need to do it in the homework book. So everything you just write on in your homework book. And the next main, children, fill in this box is according to the clues given. Gandhiji's age when he reached Rajkot, 7. What was Gandhiji's age? So you need to write in the block letters in each box. So the first one is 7. So just write down, I will write the spelling here. S-E-V-E-N. S-E-V-E-N. Gandhiji's age when he reached Rajkot was 7 years. And name of the education inspector in the story, that is Mr. Giles. G-I-L-E-S. G-I-L-E-S. So write it capital letter. And the third one, the word Gandhiji could not spell. Make sure you spell it correctly. So it's given in the bracket here. So when you are writing, you just spell it correctly and write down the correct word there. K-E-T-T-L-E. K-E-T-T-L-E. And then fourth one is something which Gandhiji could never learn the art of copying. C-O-P-Y Copying. And then fifth one, Shravan carried his parents on these fitted to his shoulders. Slings, S-L-I-N-G-S, slings. And the third one, a role Gandhiji acted many times. Harish Chandra, Harishchandra. And the last one, the full name of the book about being devoted to one's parents. Shravan Pitribhakti Natak, Shravan Pitribhakti. So let me write down, children. So you need to write down neatly. That is D main in that. So first one is 7. So let me write down 7. First one. And then second one is the education inspector's name, Gills. And the third one, kettle, K-E-T-T-L-E. Then fourth one is copy, C-O-P-Y-I-N-G. And the next one, slings, S-L-I-N-G-S. So you don't write the word wrong there. Write down correctly what I have written here. So fill it in this box, given box. And then sixth one, Harish Chandra. So it is very big. So let me write here. H-A-R-I-S-H-C-H-A-N-D-R-A. Harish Chandra. H-A-R-I-S-H-C-H-A-N-D-R-A. Harish Chandra. A role Gandhiji acted many times. And then last one, the full name of the book about being devoted to one's parents, Shravan Pitribhakti Natak. S-H-R-A-V-A-N, Shravan, P-I-T-R-I-D-H-A-K-T-I-Bhakti Natak. Write down in your textbook. Okay, children? So that A main and then this page number 66, whatever I wrote here, this also need to write in the classwork. Okay, children? Let me end my class here. So learn from the exam whatever I need you to write in the classwork, and then from the textbook all the exercises to learn for exam. Okay? See you in the next class. Thank you.